Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. So Taurus, this is a general collective read, will not resonate with each and every one of you. Just take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Taurus, this is going to be a mini read just for the weekend of the 23rd, 23rd of October, 23rd, 24th, 25th, okay? So let's begin here. Cards are popping out today, Taurus. What's wrong? Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Taurus, as always, let's start with an angel blessing card to top the reading. Let's see what my angels are going to bless you with. Dear angels, please bless my Taurus with a blessing or an advice card, please, so that they have a wonderful weekend. Blessing or an advice card, please, for my Taurus. Play music. I think this card came out for you earlier as well, Taurus, if I'm not mistaken, right? I think this is a time or phase of your life, I would say, to keep taking time out for yourself. And music is very healing, right? Music is very, very healing to your soul. So, if whenever possible, try and listen to music. And sometimes, that's what I always do. I think I've told you this before. Whenever I have a pressing problem in my mind, and I can't find a solution to it, I sometimes just play music randomly and I listen to the lyrics. 99% of the time, if not 100, I get a message through those lyrics. It's almost like, the angels are speaking through music to me. So you can try that as well. Okay? So I think, yes, Taurus, play music this weekend. It's going to be good for you. I wonder why this card is here for you though. Let's do your reading and see what you're going to be going through this weekend. Let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very, very blessed to have you here with me today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So this is going to be just a mini read, Taurus, just to check on your weekend energies. Your longer readings are on the way now, the new ones. So look forward to those. Okay, let's begin. So the first card I have for you here, Taurus, is the Eight of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. Someone is returning to your life, or are you returning back to someone because you are now wanting to release a heavy burden? You don't want to fight anymore. I think this is somebody else, Taurus. I think this is somebody else who wants to return to your life. They haven't been happy without you. They now want to kind of get relieved of this heavy burden that's come about with maybe you guys had a fight or something happened between the two of you. They don't want to fight you anymore. They are feeling down and out. I think they're not being able to do anything fresh maybe in their life, feeling left out and abandoned by you. And whatever sneaky behavior they have done on you, I think that's backfired on them, right? And somebody is not feeling happy at all. Nine of Cups in reverse, which is wish fulfillment hasn't happened. So let's see. I want to take, Spirit, can I have three more cards, please, as your secret advice? I forgot to take those. Three more cards, please, as advice from the universe. So, yeah, Eight of Cups, Spirit. Who's returning here? Who's returning here for Taurus? Somebody who felt really burdened by the fact that, they were away from you, that they had to leave you. Wherever they went I think the grass really wasn't greener on the other side. And this heavy load that they are carrying because they walked away from you, they want to get rid of it now. Look at this. This is the load they're carrying, and this is what they want to shed. How? By returning back. Somebody wants to return back, big time. So, what's this Ten of Wands, Spirit? What's this Ten of Wands? What's this 10 of Wands for this person? They're missing your love. Oh my God. They're missing the love that you shared. Look at this person again. Second time, same card. Wanting to return, feeling burdened, wanting to get over this burden. Why? Because they're missing all the love and affection and care and nurturing that maybe you could give them, and wherever they went, I don't think they got it from there. They don't want to fight anymore. They want to lower their defenses now, and they want to come back and yes, have a fresh new beginning. What's happening to your cards, Taurus? Look at this. Look at this. Ace of Pentacles, clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Two different decks and matching cards are coming out. So this is a strong reading, right? So they want to now drop this fight because wherever they went, I don't think they could have a fresh beginning, and they want to start something new again with you after getting over this fight. So Seven of Wands, Spirit. Oh, this person has a lot of passion. That this person is coming in with a lot of passion. They want to make things happen. They are miserable, I think, without. Look at the way this person is eyeing the Queen of Cups. Even though the Queen of Cups has turned away from them, look at this person eyeing her and saying, "Hey, I want my love back, and I want my Queen of Cups back, because without her or without this love, I cannot think of anything. Nothing is working really in my life, and I'm not happy." Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. I think this person is enlightened now. Maybe you guys were not talking for a little while, and that's why this relationship maybe came to a halt. Because of the silence, this person is feeling neglected, unloved now. They're feeling very, very drawn sexually, I think, attached to your energy, and they are wanting to come back and start something with you. Taurus, be careful. They're coming back because they miss you. Yes, maybe they haven't reached out yet right now, but this person is now feeling a little sheepish because wherever they went, whatever they did, it kind of backfired on this person. But now they want to come out of this stuck position, hangman. This person is feeling very weak. They're feeling very weak. They're feeling not brave at all, maybe to face you right now. Because now what can they say, right? They left you feeling abandoned, and now they are feeling abandoned, so they're coming back. They now see you as the Queen of Wands. You are it, right? You are the gorgeous one. You are the one who makes their heart sing. You are their Queen of Wands to their King of Wands. They now see you as the person who is perfect for them. I mean, you always were, but they kind of, I think, did a detour, went here and there, got burdened, and now they want to come back and start something fresh and new again. So let's see what's going to happen. Six of Cups in reverse, Three of Cups upright, and Five of Cups. So yes, right now I think somebody is very, very obsessed with the memories of the past. Maybe now they're not that great, but I think this person has gone into a lot of reflection mode, seeing that what they have done, what they have invested, what they haven't invested. They really want this reconciliation big time, right? They want to come out of their sadness. So Three of Cups, Spirit, will they be reconciling this weekend? Taurus and their person? They see that things are falling between the two of you, Taurus, but I think what they want to come and tell you is that if I had many options earlier, I have dropped all my options and I'd like to be with you once again. This is what this person is wanting to say, but still right now I think a bit afraid and still trying to kind of find the right words or how to come across to you. This person has a lot of regret for the way they've behaved in the past, and they want to come out of it big time. So Spirit, no, this person is not happy at all. At all. They know that they've really bungled things up with you. So will any action happen, Spirit, this weekend? What can Taurus expect? There is a strong possibility, Taurus, that this person may just approach you and try and heal your broken heart. They want to come out of this hermit mode. They want to heal this broken heart, and they, yes, want to communicate with you. So Taurus, there is a strong possibility this person may return back. This reading is only for you to know why they are coming back, right? Nothing has worked in their life without you, so you were. Let's see what Spirit's advice is to you. Justice in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse, and the 9 of Wands. So what's this Justice in reverse, Spirit? What are you trying to tell Taurus? Okay. 10 of Cups in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. Okay, so Spirit's secret message to you, Taurus, is this person is realizing now that they have not done justice to you. Now they see you as their shining star. You are their wish fulfillment. They want to end this fight, right? They somewhere feel, or they feel that, you know, you kind of turned your back on them. They are coming back now to heal the situation with you. They don't want to fight anymore. This is probably a soulmate from the past, right? This is a very strong connection. Maybe they do have love for you, uh, Taurus. So don't write them off immediately. Lower your defenses a little bit, okay? Try and put an end to this fight if possible. And just kind of give this person a year to say what they want. Like what Spirit is saying, play music. You don't have to take it seriously. But yes, it may just help to heal your broken heart. To have them come back and you know that validation you get when you are hurting and hurting and hurting and such, you know, you feel that maybe there was something wrong with you. So maybe if this person, and yeah, you needed clarity, right, as to where this person went and why they did what they did. So if they do come and have a conversation with you, Spirit is winking and saying, yes, this was very unjust. So just lower your defenses right now and let them come and heal the situation for you, because this may help you, Taurus, to heal your broken heart. After that, whether you want to allow them back in your life or not is a totally different. It's your free will, right? But it may bring you closure, one way or the other. Whether you want to start a new chapter with them, or you want to close out this chapter with them completely. So allow them in, play music, enjoy yourself, and heal this broken heart of yours. This person is keeping a watch on you. They haven't forgotten you for 1 second. If you think they've gone off and they're not bothered about you because you haven't heard from them, this person has been keeping a watch on you. They are afraid that you're going to fight with them, and now there is no more love left in this equation, because maybe they never gave you equal give and take, and they feel maybe you've made a decision and you've called judgment on them now, but they would love to have a do-over if you would let them, right? So expect some communication. I hope that it happens this weekend itself, but time is fluid. But that, I'm telling you what's on their mind. This is what they would want to do. So if you've been wondering, here's your clarification. So chill, Taurus, you were never in the wrong, so you play your music and enjoy yourself, okay? Let them fret and worry about how they're going to heal the situation with you. Till then, love and light, take care. I'll see you soon, Taurus. Namaste.